Do you like to do this? So, let's go! I choose a sentence from Imam Hussein. You can do this for someone else with a different background. Put the link of the files used in this tutorial in the description. Background. Make a solid. Give it gradient ramp. Effect. Generate gradient ramp. Lovely blue sky. I put two textures on the sky. First, change color mode on overlay. The second texture is grunge. Change color grunge. Mode on soft light. Setting 5 keyframes for position. Select keyframes, right-click, toggle hold keyframes. The first and last keyframe the same because we want it to look so. Press Alt, click on the stopwatch pause, type it, loop out. Here's the result. Text, type your desired name. Mask it. We need a stroke to make the text appear little by little. Then define a movement path for our stroke with the pen tool. By this setting, give keyframe to the end 0. $100. Now, give it a scribble. Be sure to choose all mask using mode. Set jumpy. Speed 5. Tip: the numbers given in each tutorial are not 100%. It only brings you closer to my result. Go ahead, please. Oh, sure. Except, inside the name, I want the whole text to have motion. So, turn on the position. Move it a little bit. The first and the last keyframe are the same. Loop time. C. Good. Liquid motion. I draw a path to move the drop. Stroke red. Feel empty. Tip. The path of the drop is smoother and need less details. Open a stroke layer, give it this setting. Select round cap, round join. Open taper, give it this setting. Now from Add, choose the Trim Path effect. Keyframing and then start. 0. $100. Move forward to start keys 5 frames. Change the mode to extrusion. Wow, fine. But this part isn't good. To make the end of movement smoother, click on a stopwatch stroke width. Select keyframes. Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. Right-click, Keyframe Assistant, Time Reverse Keyframe. And it's the result. Clothes. I draw an imaginary cloth. Now mask the cloud. Turn off the eye of the cloud shape layer. Give it a scribble. This is it. My dear Claude, action! We need more clothes and use the magic shortcut. Control D. Reposition. roof in the sky. Make a null. Parent all layer to the null, except the texture. Give position to the null. As far as writing and clothes are naughty. Choose a beautiful sentence from someone and arrange. Parent the new layers to null. I use the graph to make a smoother movement. Move it a little bit. Loop. And over is the final result. Congratulations! In the next tutorial, we are going to cook in After Effects. So be sure to subscribe and activate the bell. Good luck, guys!